Gold is about to make a move, but not the one traders are expecting. Because right now market is setting up something dangerous. A move designed on trap both buyers and sellers. In the next 48 hours that could decide whether gold explode towards 5,000 or drop below $4,300. If we see the current scenario, we have seen the prices trading around $4802.550. As of now, the price has just crossed a level of around 4800, making a half around 4874. Okay, and if you see this particular level 4874 is a weak level now. Okay, and the price has came down towards a level of 47.99, which is a strong support, and from there a bounce back we can see mostly. Okay, and there is a continuous upside we have seen as soon as the price touched a level of 4096 has formed at this level, and then there is a continuous upside. Now looking at this particular chart, what you can see these are the two main points. Okay, if you see and form a straight line, you can see that this is the particular pattern where the price is moving. Okay, as per this pattern there is a higher chances that the price can move above $5,000 and a further upside, and from this particular level we can see a bounce back can come again. Okay, and this levels is already being weak level, so we can see it can cross this level and can go further upside. This is what we can see at this level, or what we can do, it can touch this level and then it can bounce back further low. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Now gold is trading around $4,800. Okay, and if you look closely, you'll notice that there is a sudden spikes we have seen and a quick reversal. No clear direction it has shown. Okay, once started going above a level of 4800, then you can say that there is a probability of upside. Okay, and you can say this is a control movement. This is what we call a liquidity building phase. Now if you look at this particular trend, this is a day wise chart, so you have to remember there is a clear opposite U pattern has formed. After that there is an upside. Okay, expectation of Fed rate cuts are always there, because we have seen the oil price and the ceasefire still is on, but there is a probability that the ceasefire will end and oil price can move further upside. This you can see oil crude chart on a weekly or a day wise chart. Okay, chances are very high, and what will happen, the inflation will increase and the Fed will cut the rate, and which will pressure the dollar index, and then we can see there can be a probability that gold will again fall or rise. Okay, this is what we can see depending on the ceasefire which we can see in the Saudi. If you see this particular trend, there is this particular trend where the price is moving in this particular zone. As of now, if the price keep moving up this level, probability of touching 48.45 can be seen, and if that sustained, we can see it will touch today's high, which is around 48.74, which is a weak level. So we can see the price will rise above that level, and from there we can see the price will cross that level and it will move towards $48.85. And once the price rising above this level, probability of further upside can be seen towards 48.91. From there we can see it will move towards $49.62. Okay, and if the price rising of that particular level, a further upside can be seen towards 5,000. Remember that as soon as the price sustain above 49.62, chance of touching 5,000 is on a very high level. Okay, what you can see, this is the particular pattern is forming. So remember that now this is the trend we can see. If you see this particular trend, so once the price fall below 47.47, there is a higher chances that this particular trend can breaks downside and move below 47.01. Okay, so once this trend breaks for the fall, a probability is very high it will move towards a level of 47 to a level of next support directly coming at a level of around $46.55. Okay, and then with this trend breaks downside, we will see it will move towards a level of 4600, and this is an important level which I have clearly explained you. And if the price fall below this level, chances are high that this particular angle will support a downside, and chance of going towards 45.48 will be there, and then from there it can move towards 45.43, then to a level of 44.81. And if the price fall below this level, chance of going towards 44.20 will be there, then to a level of 43.69, then to a level of 43.43. okay, and then a further fall can be seen. This is what we can see looking at this particular chart. This is the technical thing that we have seen. Now if you see the geopolitical, which I have clearly mentioned you that because of the ongoing instabilities in the Middle East, oil price uncertainty and risk sentiment shifting rapidly can push the gold higher. But we have seen market is already priced in most of the sphere. Unless there is a new expectation escalation, gold might continue rising aggressively. That's where traders get trapped and buying late into that move that's already priced in. You have seen that the dollar index also playing an important role. The price was around 98, okay, and if the price fall below a level of 97, then there is a probability of further downfall in the dollar index. But if it keep moving above 98, we can see a further dollar index chart, which I have explained you in my gold yesterday's the dollar index chart, which I have already explained in my previous videos. Okay, now what you can see looking at this particular chart, this is a device chart. I have already explained you, but if you go on a lower time frame where you will understand more clearly. See, if you see the price is trading in this particular zone and it is moving in this range. So remember that now, as of now, if it is starting going towards 47.94 and if keep falling below this level, chance of going towards 47.84 will be there, then to a level of 47.39. And once the price fall below this level, chance of going towards after 47.39, we can see a level of 47.02. Then it will fall towards $46-44, which is a weak level. Then a probability is high that it can move towards 46.18 and then to a level of 4600. And 4600 is important level. If the price fall below this level, a further fall can be seen. But if it keep rising and move above level of 4800, a further upside can be seen towards a level of 48.34, then to a level of 48.72, and then further upside can be seen. So trailing your SL by around $10 is important, 10 to 15, depending on how you trade. And if the price keep moving over 4600, we can see a further upside. And once started going over 4800, you trail your SL by 10 to $15, so at least you will capture upside movement. But if it keep moving below 47.54, a further fall can be seen on 2 hours chart basis. Okay, if you go on a 15 minutes chart, you will see that the price is showing a weak trend, okay, as of now, but overall trend is upside. Chances are high. See, there is a good volatility we have seen. It is rising, but it is rising very low pace, okay, on the upside. So remember that the price, if it started going below that level, we can see there is a chances that it can move towards 47.45 into a level of 4700. Then this trend will breaks downside. So we can see then breaks downside and the price can move further low. So bullish scenario, I have clearly mentioned that if it keep moving up 4800, we can see a further upside. So trail SL by 10 to $15, okay. But if the price keep falling below 47.54, we can see there can be a further fall. इसके बाद रुको. So first move you see is very likely to be a fake move, and it's not trending, it's breaking out. So many